So this is a zooplankton net. So we are going to do a vertical trawl and see which species are in the water. So now we are linking the net to the rope and let's throw in the water. With a net?
A net.
Yeah, with a really fine mesh.
So what I've pulled off here is the gas-filled cyst, basically, that the seaweeds have to help float their blades up to the surface. So this is from a really big kelp, and what's growing on top of it is this forest of epiphytes, so lots of little red seaweeds, but also a whole lot of animals, and they don't look like animals, but they are. There are some tube worms, so the little white circles are tubes of calcareous hard structure, and inside is a little worm. And then underneath the seaweeds you can see there's a kind of honeycomb structure, and that honeycomb structure is another type of animal called a bryozoan. That's a colonial animal. Each little kind of bump in that honeycomb is an individual zooid with an animal inside it that has a gut and a mouth and a feeding structure, but they live together and they pass nutrients between themselves by tiny little holes. The little white bumps you can see are reproductive structures, so they're actually brooding at the moment and ready to spawn, although this one isn't been so lucky because it's been dragged up onto the ship. So there's probably about 4 different species of seaweed here. You've got ulva and you've got a lot of these filamentous algae, and then they're all growing on top of a piece of seaweed, and then there's about 2 species of bryozoan that I've seen and 2 species of worm. So it's like, it's a whole ecosystem in a little bundle here, just off a piece of dead seaweed.